What an insult! He's giving me this silent treatment. Yeah? You got anything else to say for yourself? Happy Goody Friday. You got something to say for yourself? I thought you're a Magnum PI. You're not a Magnum PI. Okay, give me the silent treatment. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Alright. Well, don't use it if he doesn't talk too much. Bye.
Bye.
In the mirror. Is helicopter in the mirror? Who's in the mirror? Where's David? Where's David? Oh, you're no fun.
I don't know, I'm recording this telephone call, by the way.
Oh.
I don't know how else to get him to talk, though. I don't know. I don't know how else to get it. I don't know. Of course, I have 3 different videos here.
Freddie, do you want to be on TV? What does that mean?
Your voice will be on their YouTube, though.
Yeah, alright.
I don't know what...
What is it? You looking for your girlfriend? What's going on there? Alright. Okay, I'm getting off.
Okay.